We were trying to figure out how many inches did Sally grow last year. Well, last year Joe grew 1 inch and Sally grew 200% more than Joe. We know Sally grew how much for sure? We know she grew 1 inch. And then she grows 200% more than Joe. Well, 200%, I had to think about that for a minute. I have a little thing I always write down. 5% is 0.05. So if you want to go from percent to decimal, you need to move your decimal 2 places to the left. So 200% as a decimal is going to be a 2. And you're going to multiply that. That's a percent. That's a percent of how much Sally grew times what Joe did, which is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. I hope that makes sense.